Find the sum of 34 and 15 and 11. All right. Now, since we are dealing with sum, this becomes 34 plus 15. 34 plus 15. Now, 4 plus 5 gives us 9. We write 9. 3 plus 1 gives us 4. Now, plus 11. Alright, 9 plus 1 gives us 10. Write down 0, carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 1, 6. So, the sum of 34 plus 15 plus 11 gives us 60. What is 90 divided by 10? Okay, 90 divided by 10, we have it as 90 over 10. Now, since both are having external zeros, we can cancel out. So this gives us 9 over 1, which is 9. So 90 divided by 10 is 9. Which number is a multiple of 5? Okay, now when we talk about multiples of 5, we talk about numbers that 5 can divide without a remainder. Okay, now if we look at our set of numbers, we have 23, 35, 42, and 47. Now, in all those numbers, 5 cannot divide 23 because we will definitely have a remainder. 5 times 4 is 20, so remaining 3. Okay, 5 cannot divide 42. We would have a remainder. That will be 5 times 8, 40, plus 2. All right. And 7 with 47, 5 into 47 gives us 9. 9 times 5, 45, remaining 2. So the only number that is a multiple of 5 is 35, which is 5 times 7. So 5 times 7 gives us 35. So 5 divided by 35 would be 7. That makes it a multiple of 5. What is 8 plus 7 times 2? Okay. Now remember, let's apply our board math rule. Applying our board math rule, we have it as 8 plus 7 times 2. Now this becomes 8 plus 14. Now 8 plus 14 gives us 22. Alright, so our answer would be 22. How many days are there in a week? How many days are there in a week? Okay, we know in our nursery school rhyme, we have it as 7 days make a week. All right, 30 days make a month. All right, then some of our months are what? 31 days. And 12 months make what? A year. Okay, so there are 7 days in a week. What is 144 divided by 12? So let's have it. 144 divided by 12. Let's break it down using 2. 2 into 12 gives us 6. 2 into 14 is 7. 2 into 4 is 2. Okay, using 2 again, 2 into 6 gives us 3. 2 into 7 is 3, remainder 1. 2 into 12 is 6. So we have 36 divided by 3. So 3 into 3, 1. 3 here, 1. 3 into 6, 2. So 144 divided by 12 would be 12. Find the perimeter of a square with side 4 cm. Now, if we have a square, we've said a square is a shape whose all sides are equal. So if this is 4, this is 4, this is 4, and this is 4, since all sides are equal. And when we talk about perimeter, we talk about distance around the object. Perimeter simply means distance round the object. Okay, now since we are looking at a square whose 4 sides are equal, our perimeter would be L plus L plus L plus L, okay, which gives us 4L. Alright, so this becomes 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 gives us 8. 4 plus 4 gives us 8. 8 plus 8 gives us 16 cm. So the perimeter of a square with side 4 cm will be 16 cm. What is 3/4 of 20? So we have 3/4 of 20. Alright, now we turn it to 3/4 times 20/1. Okay, 2 here gives us 2. 2 here gives us 10. 2 here gives us 1. 2 into 10 gives us 5. This is us with 3 times 5, which gives us 15. So 3/4 of 20 would be 15. Which number is divisible by 3? Okay, now when we talk about a number divisible by 3, we are looking at a number that 3 can divide without a remainder. So if you look at 14, if you look at 14, 3 will go into 14, that is 3 times 4, 12, alright, but we are still having a remainder, so 14 is off. Okay, look at 16, 3 into 16 will be 3 times 5, 15, alright, remaining 1, so 16 is off. Likewise 17, that is 3 times 5, remaining 2, so 17 is off. But 3 into 15 would be 3 times 5 to give us 15. Alright, so 15 is divisible by 3. What is 50% of 200? Okay, now when we talk about percentage is 50. 50% looks at 50 over 100. So 50% of 200 will be 50 over 100 times 200 over 1. So cancelling our zeros, okay, we have it as 50 times 2. Now 2 times 0 gives us 0, and 2 times 5 gives us 10. So 50% of 200 would be 100. Find the missing number. Now, in our series of numbers or sequence of numbers, we have 2, 4, 6, dash, and 10. Now, as a student, you need to ask yourself, in what pattern or in what way is a number increasing? Now, we know this is 2 plus 2 to give us 4, 4 plus 2 to give us 6, 6 plus what? 6 plus 2 will give us 8, and 8 plus 2 will give us 10. So our missing number is 8. What is 36 divided by 6? So we have 36 divided by 6. Alright, so let's see. Using 3 into 6 is 2, 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 6, 2. Okay, 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 12, 6. So 36 divided by 6 would be 6. Which is the largest number? Okay, so if we look at our numbers, we have 101, 110, 99, and 109. So which is the largest number? Okay, in order to know your largest number, you are considering your hundred, tens, and units. Okay, the first we have 101, next we have 110, then we have 99, and we have 109. Now, if you look at each of our units, this is greater, right? But this does not have 100, so this is out. So 99 is the smallest, is out. Now, let's consider again our units. This 109 is greater than 101. Okay? Now, this, we are having no unit here, but in our tens is greater than this and this. And tens are always greater than our unit. So that means this is out and this is also out. So 109 is off, 101 is off. So the largest number here would be 110. What is 11 times 11? 11 times 11. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. So we add 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 0, 1. So 11 times 11 gives us 1, 2, 1. Convert 1 kilogram to gram. Okay? To convert 1 kg, kilogram to grams, we know that 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. So 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. What is the value of 6 plus 3 times 4? Okay, now we are going to apply our BODMAS. Okay, our BODMAS rule that says multiplication before addition. So this becomes 6 plus 3 times 4 is 12, giving us 18. So 6 plus 12 would be 18. How many edges does a cube have? Okay, let's have a cube. Let's diagramize it and see if we can find how many edges a cube is having. Okay, let's manage. Okay, let's see if we can have something better. Okay, this is better. Now, looking at a cube, now this is called a vertex point. This is called our face, and this is called the edge. Okay, so let's look at our edge. Our edge is 1, 2. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So edges are 12. The faces are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Faces are 6. And the vertex points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay. So our vertex points are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Edges are 12 and the faces are 6. What is 200 minus 75? So 200, subtract 75 from 200. So since this is not possible, we borrow 110, making this 9 to make this 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. This is remaining 1, and this is 1. So that gives us 125. So 200 minus 75 gives us 125. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed this lecture up to this moment. If you have questions, put them down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on your notification buttons for more updates. Wish you all success in your forthcoming exams. Thank you. See you in the next class.
Hi, I'm sure you enjoyed the video you just watched. To see more content as that, preparing you for your upcoming exam, make sure to smash the subscribe button and turn on notification. Also, remember that you can use the comment section to send us your questions or your inquiries, and we are happy to take them. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.